In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about monday.com integrations with Zapier. So you want to go to create and new Zap. Now, depending on what you want to do you want Monday as your trigger or do you want it as the action? Let's say we want Monday as our trigger. Monday.com. Event. So when a column value is changed, that's a trigger. When a new board's made, new item in the board, new update in board, new user, specific column value changed in board. So basically these are the triggers. This is what's going to trigger this to set off. So select which one you want. I'll just click this one, click continue, create your account, whatever. Now, when this does this, what action do you want to happen? So maybe you want to send an email, maybe you want to send a Discord, send message to channel. So what you could do, every time something is updated in monday.com, let's say you move something to a finished sheet, you can send a webhook or a message in the Discord server saying, this is completed. Alternatively, you could have something when it's moved into to do. You could have a Discord message that sends in here and it says, this is ready to do. So this would be really useful if you need to notify team members when things are ready. Now, alternatively, you can have something else as the trigger and send it into monday.com. So if you wanted to, there's a lot of different things here. It creates, there's so many things in here. So let's say you have a Google form and someone puts their data into a Google form. You can then automate it so that the information is put into monday.com. So you could have a lead sheet, and then from there your team can work on, work on the lead and warm them up, whatever. So from here you want to press continue, sign it up, finish it up, press publish, turn it on, and that's going to automate it. So every time the trigger happens, the action happens. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.